In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and download a narrated Canva presentation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your voice and camera while presenting your slides, and save the finished video as an MP4 you can share anywhere. Start by opening your Canva presentation. Take a moment to scan through your slides so you know the flow. This helps you speak confidently and reduces the need for retakes. If you have presenter notes, review them now so they're fresh when you start recording. Next, go to the top right corner and click Present. Then choose Present and Record. This opens Canva's recording studio, which is designed for slide narration. You'll see a preview of your camera and a simple control panel that keeps everything in one place. Before you begin, allow Canva to access your camera and microphone. If your browser asks for permission, click Allow. This is essential for capturing both your voice and your face. If you have multiple devices connected, make sure the correct microphone and camera are selected in the preview area. A quick tip: record in a quiet space with decent lighting so your audio is clear and your video looks good. When you're ready, click Record. Start speaking and present your slides as you normally would. You can move through your presentation at your own pace, using your keyboard arrows or on-screen controls to change slides smoothly. Keep your tone conversational and pause briefly between points to give your audience time to absorb the information. As you record, your face will appear in the corner of the screen. This small video overlay helps viewers connect with you while they follow the content. It's normal and intended to be visible during playback, so stay centered and maintain eye contact with the camera when possible. When you've finished presenting, click Stop. Canva will process your recording and take you to a preview. Watch it from start to finish, listening for audio clarity and checking that slide changes match your narration. If something feels off, make edits as needed or retake sections so you're happy with the final result. Once you're satisfied, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4. This will export your narrated presentation as a video file. Save it to a memorable location on your computer so you can upload it to your website, learning platform, or social media without hunting for it later. That's it. You've recorded, reviewed, and downloaded a polished Canva presentation, ready to share with your audience.